Hey, Connor from Wavefront here, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with our AWS integration and some of the dashboards and value that you'll get from that integration once you've got going. If you activate your trial, the first thing you're going to see is to set your password, and then you'll see this screen. And from right here you can go ahead and add your AWS credentials. The instructions are pretty simple. It's basically just making a read-only role ARN to allow us to pull data from Amazon for you. We pull both from CloudWatch, from other APIs that give you some really useful billing data, among other things, and CloudTrail to populate events. Now, don't worry, if you don't get to it here and you happen to skip at this stage, you can always reach that screen really easily. Just at any time, browse Cloud Integrations, set up your Amazon account, and you'll get to the same place. Once you've done that, the first thing it's going to do is actually just load up this summary dashboard for you. Now, you might have to give it a few minutes, 5 minutes or so, for us to start populating the data here, but you'll see data appearing. This gives you some summary information about what's going on in the AWS account that you added, how many on-demand instances, spot instances, in which regions they are, etc. And this also provides links to all of the pre-built dashboards that we've made available. You can obviously make your own dashboards, and you can customize these ones, make your own, but we have a number that just come out of the box. And actually you can see in this particular AWS account, we're not using the Lambda service, and we're not using the Redshift service. That's why these dashboards aren't populated, but the others are showing data. I really encourage you to look at this billing one once you've turned on the integration. This is going to show you some hopefully useful information about reserved instance utilization. I'm going to jump into this ELB one though real quick, just to show you a common pattern that you'll see across a number of these dashboards. And that's around how we've pre-built some alerts into this. So in this dashboard, we're looking at a whole host of information about what's going on with ELB in this Amazon account. And there are dashboard variables at the top that let me control what I want to look at. You'll see on some of these charts though, there's a little message saying, click the title of the above chart to view a recommended alert query. Behind any chart in Wavefront is a query language driving what that chart's going to show. And that same query language can be used to drive alerts. Here we've set up a few that we hope kind of make sense as starting points. You can obviously tweak and play around with the conditions here for your environment. And then if you want to create an alert from this, just click the Create Alert button. And this thing will actually backtest for you when the alert would fire. If I put this into looking over the last week, I can see that this thing did spike up a number of times. It's currently not meeting the condition because the event didn't last for very long. Let's try 2 minutes instead. You can see actually now that I've set the alert minutes to 2, this actually is catching these alerts. So in your own environment, you may want to tune the alert and tune the parameters, but this gives you a helpful starting point. And then it's really easy to have these alerts fire off to emails, PagerDuty, or webhooks to integrate with pretty much anything else you like. That's pretty much it. Once you're in, once you've got your data flowing, hit us up on Slack and we'll help you go further. You can always find any of the dashboards, of course, under the All Dashboards view as well.